Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Burgers are an absolute family favorite, but making them could be quite tedious, isn't it? Today, let me simplify all of that, but with an interesting twist using McCAIN Smiles. Hey guys, welcome to McCAIN Festive Magic with me, Varun Inamdar, and today let's make an interesting McCAIN Smile sliders. The first thing that I'm actually making for this slider is actually a coleslaw. It has green cabbage, so I'm using that. Well, the cabbage goes in a bowl. After the green cabbage, I'm also going to cut some purple cabbage, and this is completely optional. This is only because I love the color, of course, of this cabbage. And with this, your cabbage mixture is kind of ready. Let's now move on to cutting the carrots. Of course, a completely optional ingredient, but trust me, I love the kind of texture, bite, and color that carrots bring into a coleslaw. This is also julienne or shredded and ready. Now, coming to the dressing of this salad. The first ingredient that of course goes in the cabbage is some white vinegar. The next is of course salt as required and some freshly cracked black pepper. Let's mix this well and allow this to seep in for at least half an hour at room temperature. All that will do is soften up the cabbage, and that's what we want. The next step, like I said, is adding in sugar because coleslaw is quite sweet in flavor. The next thing is mayonnaise. And to this, I'm also adding in mustard paste. Well, this is classic English yellow mustard. Let's give this a mix, and with this your coleslaw is kind of done and ready. Well, a slider for the uninitiated is nothing but a miniature burger, for which of course we require the burger buns. But in this case, that's the twist. I'm not using a burger bun, instead I'm using McCAIN Smiles as the base as well as the topper. So let's get that. While the oil is hot enough, let's add in the smiles. Well, the best part about McCAIN Smiles is that this could be either fried or baked. This goes straight from the freezer to the kadai, and this just takes 3 minutes to fry. With these are beautifully fried golden brown in color and ready. The next is to start building up the sliders. The first step is to start arranging the McCAIN Smiles. Starting with leaves of lettuce. I'm going to top this up with a spoonful of homemade coleslaw. The next is a slice of tomato. Let's cover this up with another McCAIN Smiles. Well, parents, especially mothers, sometimes get very disturbed and harrowed, but they really don't have to worry because McCAIN Smiles has absolutely no preservatives. Finally, let's top these up with a little few pretty things and of course make it look absolutely child-friendly. For that, I'm using parsley and cherries. With this, our McCAIN Smile sliders are done and ready, and trust me, kids are going to love this. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food. This is me signing off, and see you very soon on McCAIN Festive Magic with me, Varun Inamdar.